Make sure you watch until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies. Do you work with SFIC cores and locks, small format, interchangeable core? If so, I have two products I want to show you. These are the brand new Lockvoy Freedom Series SFIC padlocks. They work with both 6 and 7 pin cores, and they don't require any sort of special adapter, which is super nice if you ask me. They're also made in the USA with global components, and they are made with aircraft grade aluminum. They also are bypass and shim proof. But hey, let's go ahead, let's zoom in the camera, and let me show you a closer look. All right, so these are the two sizes currently available. This is gonna be your 9AR, okay? Now this is 1.5 inches wide. And the size of this, I mean, it's a little longer, but it's similar to like your typical, 38, 40 millimeter laminated steel padlock, okay? And the shackle diameter is gonna be 1/4 inch. Now, this is important because you're gonna find applications that you need that smaller diameter shackle and body, and this is really a great fit for it. Now, the 10AR, this one is kind of more of your standard size padlock that you would expect for like a SFIC, okay? It's gonna be 1.75 inch wide, and the shackle on it is gonna be 5/16, okay? So this is more of like a standard, commercial padlock size that you would expect. Like I just said a few moments ago, these are gonna work with both 6 and 7 pin cores here, and I'll show you how they work. So this right here, this is your 7 pin, okay? This is your 7 pin core. And do I have the control key in here? Yes, I do. Okay, so essentially all you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure, let me see if I can get the angle right so you can see, you're gonna see the two little prongs that go in the hole in the back here. Now, a little quick tip, Cal Royal makes this great little temporary cylinder, they call it, but it allows you to get into the core and align the tailpiece down here just perfectly. Let's see if I can get a good picture there. Okay, you can kind of see it right there. Once you have it like that, all you have to do is just take your core, this is the 7 pin, put it in and pull it out, and just like that, you're done. It's really nice and simple. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, and without stopping or doing anything, I got it a little misaligned. Let me realign it. I'll go ahead and take the 6 pin core and put it in there and do the same. Just like that. It's really that simple. These are great locks to use. Let me go ahead and put in a normal key here. Oh, looks like all these are control. Here, let me pop this one back in. Grab the other key. As you can see, it works, no problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to change the shackle, okay? Both the 9AR and the 10AR, you do it the exact same way. I'm gonna use the 9AR for this example. Now, the first thing you wanna do is you have to open up the padlock, okay? Once you do that, we gotta go ahead and we gotta get this Allen wrench out on the opposite side of where the logo is. Now, while I'm doing that, let me tell you about the shackles, okay? So the shackle that comes with the padlocks is about 1 3/16 clearance, okay? Lengthwise right here. Now, you can purchase separately a 2 inch, a 3 inch, and a 5 inch shackle length, okay? So this is the 2 inch, this is the 2 inch right here that we're gonna go ahead and replace it with here in just a moment. Now, one of the things I love most about these padlocks is that changing the shackle is so simple, right? So many times I feel like the manufacturers like kind of made changing the shackle size kind of like an afterthought, and this is not the case with these padlocks. So once you have the Allen screw all the way out, this is a closer look of what it looks like here, okay? We're gonna set that down to the side. We're just gonna go ahead and make sure the key's turned, okay? And when it's turned all the way, you're gonna be able to just pull that shackle out just like that. We're gonna go ahead and set it off to the side, grab the 2 inch that we wanna replace it with, and we wanna make sure that we have that ball pushed all the way down. That's why turning the key is so important, to get it in there past this little spot here. So once you have it in like that, okay, go ahead and just turn the key all the way, and you can even pull it out. Okay. Now it's gonna just naturally kind of be seated exactly where you need to go. Yep, there we go. Let's see here. try to find it here, make sure we're in the... All right. Once you have it where it should be, just go ahead and just tighten the Allen screw back in all the way. Once you have it like that, you're actually done. You can go ahead and close the lock, take the key in, open it. It's really that simple to change the shackle size on these. All right, I'd love to know your thoughts on these SFIC padlocks by Lockvoy. Please tell me in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Since you just watched this video, I'm guessing that you work with locks and keys. And to us at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, join the conversation and comment on our posts and videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. It's free to enter this giveaway. And every Tuesday, we're going to pick 5 winners from the previous week and hook you up with all sorts of prizes, including gear, tools, supplies. We might even send you a key machine or buy you lunch. So if you're a lock boss, join us every week to learn, grow, and win.